or maybe you just want to hear me come and say something off the wall or fumble over my words or make mistakes. Wherever you're here, why ever you're here. What is up, everyone? LL here, coming at you from my office slash recording studio slash memorabilia, if I can say that, studio, collectible display studio. I am getting ready to fulfill some orders today, just checking in with you guys to see how everything is going. It is the start of a new year, 2023. Hopes are high, big expectations for this year. Hopefully you guys feel that way and want to make the most of this year. I know I do. Right now I'm actually going through my orders and actually going through these orders, and then I'm going to copy them over to this spreadsheet here. And then I sort that out and sort by name in case I have duplicates so I'm not missing any. I used to handwrite them, which was very dumb, and then obviously I can't alphabetize handwriting, and then I would print an order out and then get to the bottom and realize I had the exact same order, and then I'd have to basically put that screen on again and realign everything, get ready. So it's just really counterproductive to do it that way. So it's easier to print everything that's the same all at one go, and that's why I do it this way now. And then hopefully I can type the right thing on the spreadsheet, print it out, take it out to my workshop, and then we get everything going, get everything printed, bring stuff in, package it, and then get going to the mail, the post office. But that's a plan for today. Get these orders printed and fulfilled, and get over to the post office to get caught up. I'm trying to figure out my strategy for this year as far as what I want to focus on. I'm going to have my weekly workflow, my daily workflow. But in order to increase sales, I saw a little bit of it. Well, I actually saw a lot of a dip last year. Sales and everything decreased substantially, 30-40%. But I didn't put in the time that I normally put in because I was moving multiple times, and I wasn't able to do any new stuff. I didn't even offer any seasonal stuff, which was a big killer, and I knew it would be, but it just made sense for whatever was going on. So now I'm ready to get going. Obviously, I'm going to offer seasonal stuff this year. I'm going to get back at it, figure out my strategy for new products, what exactly I'm going to offer, what I'm going to try and capitalize on. I got to do a shop audit. Sales are actually a little slow right now, slower than I'd like, but that makes sense considering I still haven't done anything in my shop really actively besides fulfilling orders. I haven't done any SEO audits, any new products, so I really got to formulate a strategy to focus the majority of my time for the next couple of months on those things, cleaning up my shop. And I would suggest for you guys too, January is a good time. A lot of niches will see a dip in January, which is normal after the holidays. Some don't. Some get a boost in sales for January. So it really depends on your niche. But it's always good for whatever works for your niche and time of year to go in and audit your shop. Clean things up. Look at your listings. Look at your worst performing listings. What can you do to clean those up and get them to perform better? Whether it's changing around your SEO, your pictures, your description, adding in videos, which is part of Etsy now. Your descriptions, keywords matter now, so make sure you're having good descriptions. Not only that, focusing on your plan for new stuff. That's always a good way to grow. Offer new stuff, not the same old stuff every single year. People want to see new stuff, especially people coming back to your shop. You don't want it to be the exact same. Just like going to a restaurant, if the menu is the exact same every time you go, you're going to know what to expect. You're going to stop getting excited. For most people, I think some people like the same old stuff. I like variety. I like to see some new stuff. And when I go somewhere that I've been before and I see something new, I usually tend to buy it. So it works the same way with e-commerce too, I think. If you have returning customers, they already know what you have. They want to see kind of some new stuff. So it's always good to work that into your strategy as well, offering some different new types of stuff. Depending on your niche, and depending on, you may focus your new stuff on trends. You may focus it on what's already done well for you in the past. Other best sellers is a good indication of what will be good future sellers, so you can kind of capitalize on that and listen to what your customers are telling you. Maybe it's stuff that people have asked for in the past that you just didn't have time to create or make. Customers are a really good indication of what's going to sell well. I've listened to several customers that wanted something that I didn't have, and I created it, and it became a bestseller just because they asked for it. So very surprising. Some of the stuff that they asked for wasn't anything that I thought was like too great. I mean, it was good enough for me to create for them, and I was like, okay, I can sell this, but it wasn't like, oh wow, that's crazy. That's a crazy awesome idea. I wasn't like super stoked about any of it, really. But yeah, it's just funny what will sell and what customers decide that they want that they didn't find elsewhere. Because most things you can find out there already. So it's always funny to me when a customer asks for something specific that may already exist or may be out there, and they may be able to find something similar, but I guess they like what I have and they would rather order it from me. They like the quality. So I guess that's important too. So it's interesting. But yeah, take the time now, early in the year, set your goals, but your action items that lead to the goals to get where you want to get this year. I've done goal videos in the past. Frou-frou, people are like, oh, they kind of like tune it out. But I think it's good to have goals, but really they're meaningless unless you have kind of action items behind your goals. Like, what actions daily will you do that will get you to that goal? You know, what can you do in your business daily? It's not just setting a goal and hoping you're going to get there. You know, you set a goal to lose weight this year. Are you doing stuff to do that? Are you eating certain calorie count? Are you going to the gym 4 times, 5 times a week? If you're not doing any of those things, having a weight loss goal is really not going to matter. So that really ties into your business as well. It's the same thing applies. But yeah, I want you guys to do well this year. Big things coming for the Handmade and Beyond community. And the YouTube channel. If there's any content that you want to hear, let me know. I just posted a poll on the YouTube channel, so you can let me know what you want to hear more of, whether it's interviews, more live content, where I come in live, do Q&As, different things like that, more podcast type videos, more behind the scenes videos like this. There's a lot of different, more tutorials. A lot of options on there, so let me know if something's not on there. Write a comment so I know kind of what you guys want and give you more of what you want, with the main focus of giving you what you need to continually grow your handmade business, give you the support, maybe just a friendly face, or maybe you just want to hear me come and say something off the wall or fumble over my words or make mistakes. Wherever you're here, whyever you're here. I appreciate it. But cheers to a awesome 2023. Get those action plans in place. Let's get ready for this year and let's kill it together. I'll be back soon with another great video for you guys. Have an amazing rest of your day.